Welcome. We are unboxing Young Living. I have tons of boxes. This is accumulation from a couple months plus some rewards orders that I haven't opened. This is the only one that I've started to open, and I thought I should just do an unboxing for YouTube. So that is what we're doing today. There's all kinds of things that I've ordered, from oils to supplements to like lifestyle products, which, by the way, Young Living is a lifestyle brand. It's not just essential oils. To be honest, I use a lot more of their supplements and lifestyle products as opposed to the oils. I mean, I love the oils, they're amazing, but I use things like the supplements even more. Let's start with some of these small boxes. So the oils normally come in these cardboard cylinders like this. We have lavender, which you can never have enough lavender, and eucalyptus. I love to diffuse lavender, well, really anytime, but it's great for many things. Some nitros. This is my #1 favorite product that Young Living makes. I probably have 2 of these a day, one in the morning, one in mid-afternoon. What I find it for anyway, it's like for focus, to stay alert, if you ever have a midday slump, and it's a little tiny like liquid shot, but it's nothing like those 5-hour energy shots or anything like that. It's green tea extract, ginseng, and a special blend, like a Young Living proprietary blend that helps keep you focused and alert. And let me tell you, it does the trick, and it doesn't leave you jittery or anything like that. Absolutely my favorite product of all time. If I had to get rid of every other Young Living product, this is the one I would keep. Above oils, above supplements, above anything, this is it. And 2 of them a day is actually, I believe it's your daily requirement for B12. So it's great for immune support as well. So that was a small box. Let's see what we have in the rest. Another favorite, the Young Living Sleek Shakes, nitro and some oils. Let's see what oils we have. A lot of times the oil comes free. This must have been a free gift. The eucalyptus, free gift here because I got it in the other box too. So these were 2 separate orders. The sleek and then the nitro, and then the eucalyptus was free. Probably my 2 most used oils are eucalyptus and the lavender. They're just so great to diffuse. I'm often a bit stuffy. It just depends. Like, I have allergies sometimes, so the eucalyptus is something that I like to diffuse often. It's definitely like my daytime go-to. Young Living has a few different kinds of eucalyptus, but they're all great. The Sleek Shake, this is a meal replacement shake. I actually love it. Prior to trying these years ago, I never liked a pre-made shake. I tried this one and I was very unwilling to try it. But when I finally tasted it, I have a video of it. I'll have to find the first time I tasted it. I loved it. Our whole family loves these. Lily even drinks these. They're technically like I don't know what the proper wording is, weight management, healthy weight management. I don't think we say weight loss, but yes, a weight management shake. But really, we have these as a snack or sometimes as a meal replacement if we're on the go. But I love the way these taste, and I like them better just mixed with water as opposed to like almond milk or anything like that. They're good. Okay, I told you this was my favorite. The Ningxia Nitros are the best thing ever. There's more. We actually keep this giant bowl of them in our house, almost like a candy bowl, but it's a nitro bowl. I'll have to show you on this video because it's pretty chic. Okay, what do we have here? Okie dokie. Again, free gift, eucalyptus. That will not go to waste. And I ordered Progessence Plus. This is a hormone, again, I don't know the particular words that you use, but I'm gonna say a hormone enhancing, a hormone, let me see what it says on here, but it's for your hormones. It's a natural hormone extract from wild yam, I believe. It smells divine. It is one of my favorite scents, my favorite fragrances, whatever, and it's beautiful. It is the most gorgeous bottle, Progessence Plus. I apply this to my arms and sometimes my lower abdomen twice a day, sometimes more, just because I love the way it smells, but it's meant to be twice a day to help your mood. You can look up Progessence Plus, but it is absolutely spectacular. Ooh, this is new. Well, not new, but it's new to me. I have not tried this one yet. Evening Peace Bath and Shower Gel. I actually have to smell it right now. I don't know why I'd never ordered this before. It just like, I have no idea. How can I open this? Let me see if I can open it with my box cutter. I can't really do this with my nails. I cannot believe I have not ordered that sooner. But again, non-toxic. You can actually be in the shower and feel good about the products that you're using because you're not breathing in tons of chemicals, and it just smells lovely. It smells like you're taking care of yourself, and you actually are when you're using products that aren't full of toxic chemicals. Okay, for the big box, I am just gonna leave it on the ground because there's so much. I went to town with this big box. Okay. It looks like a lot of free gifts too. Majority of everything in this box was free. I think other than the promotional Christmas product. Everything else was on points, which means I've ordered from Young Living for so long, you get points every time you order. And I had about $500 worth, actually I had a little bit more. You can spend like a certain amount of the points at a time, but I had about $500 worth of points to spend, which is literally just free money. It's stuff I'm already buying anyway. So a lot of this was absolutely free, which is why I have a lot of it. 3 boxes of Ningxia Red. Lily calls this packet juice, but it's a little tiny individual packets. I think there's 30 in a box. It's highly concentrated antioxidants. It has essential oils and really great things to support your immune system. Lily has 1 or 2 of these a day, and we do, especially moving into the winter months, but they taste delicious. They're great for you, and we like to stock up. And again, this was all free. And I think if you get 3 boxes, I think it's around $200 and something. So $200 something free of our favorite stuff. And I'll show you the rest. Oils, woo. More Progestance Plus. I load it up because this is something I use all the time, every single day. Idaho Blue Spruce. It's one of my favorite oils, especially during the winter months. It smells so good. And I love to bring the trees and the forest and the outside into the house. If you ever heard of the term forest bathing, it sounds kind of goofy, but you can Google it. But essentially it's walking deep through the forest, or like if you're hiking, walking through the trees. The chemical compounds essentially that the trees, what's the word? That the trees give off is very health protective. But anyway, I like to bring that into the house. And you can do that through essential oils because it's taking the oils of the tree, the bark, depending on what part of the plant it comes from, but like being able to bring that indoors, you're getting similar benefits from something as powerful as, say, forest bathing for your health. Speaking of health, this is ImmuPro. This is chewable tablets for nighttime. They're great for supporting your immune system, and they also have a little bit of melatonin to help you get a great night's sleep. I love these. I have a funny story with ImmuPro though. I probably shouldn't say this, but it's the truth. A really long time ago, I'm talking like 8 years ago. It's been a long time. When I first got ImmuPro, people were talking about how good ImmuPro was for you and how it's great for your immune system. And I thought, I need some of that. So I ordered it and I started taking a chewable every morning along with my other supplements. I said, oh, ImmuPro supports the immune system. Perfect. And then I wondered, I was like, gosh, I am like not myself. I'm drowsy. Like I just like can't get going in the morning. Then come to find out, again, this is why it's really important not to just listen to everything that someone says. You need to read the fine print. It has a little melatonin in it, which is why I was sleepy in the morning. This is not something you take in the morning. It is great for your immune system, but it is only for nighttime or only when it is that you choose to sleep. So if you don't want to sleep soon after you wake up and want to have a productive day, don't take ImmuPro in the morning. Learned that lesson the hard way. So crazy. Speaking of trees and forest bathing, I have Evergreen Essence, which I have to open right now. This is new this year. Wow. Exactly like an evergreen. I feel so festive and so healthy. I love that. Let me open the Idaho Blue Spruce now because I want to compare them. Yeah, that's good too. So good. I've already talked about Progestance Plus. Let's talk about, let's see. Oh, real quick. I got 2 Dragon Times here. Let me tell you, Dragon Time, it is one of the best things that Young Living makes. And I think it's underrated. I think maybe a lot of people don't know about it. Nitro is number 1. Number 2 would be my Dragon Time. I don't know, Dragon Time is really up there. It would be like neck and neck for who takes first place. Dragon Time is for that time of the month. Dragon, angry, painful, Dragon Time. At least that's where I think they came up with the name. The time of the dragon. Every month, the time of the dragon. Perhaps, that's my story. I think of like an angry dragon when you're not feeling perhaps your best self that time of the month for women. So this is something that a friend told me about and she goes, oh, you just put a couple drops on your tummy and then you'll feel so much better during the time of the month. So my friend told me about Dragon Time and I had actually had Dragon Time. I think I bought it a really long time ago. And she said, Dragon Time. I was like, I have that. She goes, yeah, during the time of the month, put like 2 drops on your stomach. It'll make you feel so much better. And I thought, okay, whatever, because that is literally not gonna work for me. Like I need something stronger than putting a couple oils on my stomach. So I tried it the next month and let me tell you something, this stuff worked. Now I used more than 2 drops. I put a big sprinkle of it all in my hand like I'm using a salt and pepper shaker and I just dab it all over my stomach and my back. Oh my goodness, it totally works. I feel so much relief from using Dragon Time. I really don't actually know how applying it to your skin I know everything gets absorbed through our skin, but holy moly, it works so damn good. Anyway, so yeah, if you feel like that speaks to you, you should probably get some to try, let me tell you. Okay, where are we now? Moving on to something a lot more exciting and very festive, we have pink champagne, one of my favorite oils. I think it started coming out last year. Pink champagne is glorious and it's so beautiful and sassy and a great gift as well. This is called Simplified by Jacob and Kate, but I was gonna say how they've amplified and elevated the oils. I love this look in the frosted bottle. It's just very chic and very minimal, very on trend for what people like online. I think it's beautiful. We have vanilla, which is great to mix with other oils. I think it's wonderful during the wintry festive months. And then there was one other here for, oh, of course, Christmas Spirit is literally the greatest oil ever. I keep saying it's the greatest oil, but let me tell you, you have the classics like lavender, eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree, things like that. But when it comes to like Christmas Spirit, like your woodsy evergreen oils, pink champagne, it is just too good. If you are not an oily person, let me tell you, it's time to get oily as fuck. The oily life is a fun life, I will just say. It makes everything in your life get better. What's up next? Ooh, this is new. Candy Cane Wishes Replenishing Body Butter. I got a couple of these. Are they both the same fragrance? Yes, amazing. I actually need to smell this right now. One thing I love about Young Living this time of year is they have such an amazing selection of wintry holiday products, and they're incredible to gift to people. They're great to, of course, get for yourself, but they're amazing gifts, which is why I got more of these. Because what's better than giving someone something beautiful, but something that's actually great for their lifestyle? The gift of health, the gift of beauty, the gift of wellness. Because if you don't have that, you really don't have anything. If I can get this open, it'd be real great. The nails just are not always conducive to, okay, let's see if we got it. No, we don't. They shouldn't be this hard to open. It's because of me and my press-on nails. Okay, here we go. Oh, it smells great. It's like creamy deliciousness. Wow, I love it. This is my favorite one yet. They had vanilla mint, but better than vanilla mint. It's so luxurious, as it should be. I think, what is it called? Replenishing Body Butter. It holds up to its name. I really like the rose gold bottle. And I also like that they call it Candy Cane Wishes. It's not like peppermint vanilla body butter. I like that they gave it like a chic name. One for me, one for a gift. So good. What is this? Wait, I have another woodsy. Sometimes certain oils come in like their own little boxes. It's something with like the shipping laws. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is Northern Lights. This is Idaho Blue Spruce. This is Northern Lights Blue Spruce. Okay, now that's not a good, okay, here we go, I got it. I think that this one is my favorite. I get them confused. Let me open it. Northern Lights Blue Spruce. Let me see if I think this one is. Oh, now this one's my favorite. Like evergreen type of oil. It's about to get woodsy AF inside our condo. Oh. And again, insane. Almost all of that was free. Everything was free except the Christmas products, which was just like these two things. Now, a couple more little boxes. More. Whoops. I got butterfingers. I got body butterfingers, literally. Okay, don't mind me right now. Shocking, there's more eucalyptus. Christmas Spirit and Nitro. Show you what they actually look like. They are these little shots, liquid. You peel it off, take it. Yeah, that's what they look like. Very handy. Throw them in your little Louis, go out on the town, got your Nitro with you, you're good to go. All right, this is the last box. Thanks for coming on this oily journey with me. We've made it. Are we gonna bet that it's more Nitro or eucalyptus? Okay, looky here. Listen, I'm not even gonna say what that is. You already know. Okay, got this. This is something new. Ooh, this is a different one. Cozy Chai. Pretty excited about that. Okay, last box. We got something new. We have Longevity Supplement. This is an incredible supplement for, you know what? Longevity. It is orange, clove. What's the next one? Is it rosemary? Oh, no. Thyme, orange, frankincense. Some incredible oils known for enhancing longevity. I like it that it's already made. You could take the oils and put them in your own capsule, but literally who has time for that? I know some people do. So if you do, like, fine. I don't like to put my own oils in capsules. It just, It just doesn't work out for me and I'm not a fan. But I love that this already comes in a soft gel capsule. I think you just take one a day. That's what, yeah, one a day. More Idaho blue spruce. Let me tell you, we're getting woodsy. Another Northern Lights. We're not gonna open that one right now. This was a Christmas, I mean, I'm keeping this for myself, but I think I ordered another one of these, but this one's definitely for me. Oh my goodness, and I actually just said I needed a new frother. I forgot that I had ordered this. So, cute little frother, very cute. And this was like a combo pack. You got the branded Young Living frother and chai rose supplement. I bet you mix this with warm non-dairy milk or water, half a teaspoon, mix in water or your choice of milk once daily. This will be the drink of the holiday season for the evening. I'm not gonna open it right now, although I would like to smell it, but I have a good idea considering it is chai, so the chai spices and then rose, which we love. Again, one for me, one for someone else. Cozy chai. This smells just like a chai latte. Exactly like a chai latte. Wait, is this a scrub? Okay, great. Well, both of these are gonna be for me. Is that what I ordered here? Hang on. I see what just happened here. Excuse me, both of these will be for me. Thought it was a lotion duo, a body butter duo. It is not. I'm gonna keep that one closed for just a second. Actually, no, I can still smell it. That's the whole point. A salt scrub. A pink Himalayan salt scrub, which is each of these scents have a scrub, and then you have the body butter. Again, I could benefit from reading labels, as we have discovered in this video. That is everything. I hope you enjoyed the video, enjoyed the products. Hope you learned something, whether that is something cool about a product or just to read your labels, because that is also really helpful too. Comment below, what was your favorite product? What do you want to try? And I'll have lots of the links in the description. Subscribe and see you in the next video.